my God, what happened to his arms? Some folks are like that. Wow. Thank you so much for this incredible honor. I'm really happy and pleased to be here. It's been about 13 years since I worked here. I did sneak in a couple of times now and then because I heard word that the world's largest pig resided here on the West Coast, so I had to check it out. And it was, Morgan was back there then, yeah. Yeah, both of us have to get up more than once a night now. And I remember with a great deal of fondness, great memories, my time here. And all the men and women that worked with me and helped me achieve my vision. Some of them were just fledgling at the time, and now they're kind of like, veterans of camera work and other aspects of filmmaking art, which are, it's really gratifying to see they've risen so far when you saw where they started, so it's nice. It's also sad because it means I'm going to die, but heck, I brought my son along with me. He was 11 years old when we were here. Now he's 25 now, so. And Renee is here. My God, I love you. A woman of extraordinary soul. Man, I'm no good at writing speeches. I don't write them. I just get up here and ramble on for a while. So just start booing when you want me to get off, okay? It's like, hey, I actually, I'm not just some yank coming over here plundering your pinnacle of your accolades, It's like, I actually have a passport here. I got one. So I can come here and I'm legal. I can even take over Morgan's operation if I want. He's got to be careful. And I'm even going to try a little Gaelic here, okay? Because I've heard everyone saying it tonight, so it's like, could you feel me up, Margaret? Is that it? Could you feel me up, Margaret? It's like, is there anyone called Margaret here? Look, I simply can't express how moved and my old mom would really love to have been here to see this. Hey, maybe she's watching. And I'd like to thank you all from the very, bottom of my heart. I mean, it's very moving, and I'm honored and happy and proud and glad to be here. And I'll always, pop in now and then, see if you got any bigger pigs. Okay, thank you.